It's Adam here, and welcome back to another video, and a very special video. This one is a two-part series. If you remember the three-part series we did a little while ago, this is going to be kind of in the same fashion. So we're going to start with something very small, but also very cool. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand, well, sort of new, Pixel Buds Series A Edition. Now, I want to see what these are like, because I have AirPods Pro, and they're very, very cool, and they're very good at what they do. Now, I want to see what the competition is able to do, and if they're able to match Apple's sort of not only ecosystem, but test out the Google Assistant and the sound quality, and just how good of earbuds they actually are. So, without further ado, let's find out. So right away we are presented with the Pixel Buds Series A box, and thankfully the plastic is really easy to take off. With this box, there's nothing fancy, just rip it right off. And now the box is really nice. The packaging's really quality. I would not say it's up to the level of Apple, but it's still pretty quality. And then pulling the pull tab from the bottom, we can pull it from the side and open up the box to see we are presented with these alien-like looking things, or the Pixel Buds Series A Edition. I like how they look. They look like these kind of like little alien pods from the future. I think it looks pretty slick, but let me know what you think down in the comments below. Now, some other things that you get with the box are USB Type-C to USB-A cable, and then some replaceable ear tips to change the fitting, and then papers, which is boring. No one likes that. There's no Google stickers, so that's sad. But other than that, nice build quality, and let's jump right into the first impressions. So, right out the box, they're very small. They're about the same size as AirPods, except they don't open sideways like AirPods do. They open from the top. The actual earbud itself is pretty comfortable. It's also very, very small, but it has this like clean design sort of look. It does not have noise cancellation, although the noise outside the earbud itself is kind of muffled, so you kind of get some, I guess, noise cancellation. However, it's not true noise cancellation like what is found on the AirPods Pro. Now, to be fair, these are much more expensive. These are $249, so we have to keep the price to performance a thing as well. However, from just testing it out from these past 15 minutes, I will have to say that the sound, it sounds alright. Now, it obviously does not sound as good as the AirPods, but we also have to keep in mind the price. These things are $100, $150 less than the AirPods Pro. So from what I can hear so far, they sound pretty good. Other than that, they do charge on the back of the Pixel 6 Pro. So that is something that I found out. It's reverse wireless charging, pretty cool as well. Other than that though, so far the first impressions I do have of these earbuds are very positive. Now, will they stay very positive? Like, what's the battery life? What is the true extent you can use the Google Assistant to? We will have to find out. With that all being said, thank you very much for watching this very short and unboxing video of the Google Pixel 6 Buds. Hopefully within a couple weeks I will have a full review ready to record for you guys and upload here on the channel. But with that all being said, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you really enjoyed it, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you